Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open hidden apps in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now go to Security. Scroll down. Press on Privacy and App Encryption. Click on this. Enter your password. If you want to open your hidden apps in your Android phone, you just have to click on App Hiding. Now enable this View Hidden Apps. That's it. So this is how to open hidden apps in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.